everyone, so in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys my dorm room or sorority room tour here at the University of Arizona, and I'm so excited to share it with you guys. I actually filmed it last weekend and didn't film the intro, so going to go ahead and do this now. But I honestly love my room. If you guys have been following me for a while, you guys would have known that I now have a different room in my sorority house, so I thought you guys would really enjoy seeing it. We did stick with the same theme, and I honestly love this room even more than our last year's room that had its own bathroom, so that's saying a lot. But yeah, before getting into it, I also wanted to share today's sponsor, which is ConnexQA mobile app. So ConnexQA is a problem solver app that's designed to help students with self-studying, which is literally so perfect for this time that we're living in. I know a lot of us are doing online learning. I know all my classes are online, so having that contact with your professors or teachers is a little bit difficult right now. So this app is so perfect, especially for like math problems and anything like that. How it works is when you take a picture of your math or science problem, you upload it to the app, and you can get a step-by-step solution from either an IA or an online tutor, which is so nice. I'll go ahead and have on the screen what the app looks like. So this is what it looks like when you first log on, and you have all of these problems that you can put up and have your access to photos and upload the photo right from there, and then you have solutions and all of that. So I definitely highly recommend if you guys need a self-studying tool to help you with homework, and it can be used free. But if you want to post unlimited questions and get answers within 10 minutes, it is $9.99 for a month for a membership. Without that subscription, you can post questions and get that fast answer using the high-speed coupon. Membership subscription is on sale for September back-to-school event, so I'll have all of that information linked down below if you guys want to try it. So yeah, if you guys want homework help while you guys are studying, there are subject tutors 24/7 to help you guys. So I highly recommend checking out ConnexQA to help you right now, especially during this time that we're living in. I think like studying apps are absolutely essential. So like I said again, I'll have all the information linked down below. And again, thank you ConnexQA for sponsoring today's video. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so here's what the room looks like when you first walk in. Right here we have our paddles that our littles made us after Big Little Week. They just decorate these paddles for us to hang as decoration right by our door, so I have those here. And then this is all the pictures we put up on our door, so a lot of them of my roommate and I. So here is all of them. We have some from bid day and all other events. And then here is the big overview of the room. I did post this like on TikTok, so follow me on there if you guys are interested in more content. But yeah, here is the room when you first walk in. So behind the door we just have our towels and robes hung up, so that way we can easily go and take them into the bathrooms when we need to. And then on the right over here we just have our mirror, and I really like the placement of this mirror because last year our mirror was right in front of like the beds, so there wasn't a lot of space behind the mirrors, so you couldn't really scoot back into your outfit that much. But I absolutely love this space, and even like the background for mirror pics. So yeah, we have the mirror here, and then we have these wall prints that my roommate got for us. I'm not sure where they're from, but I think they're really cute and match with our room perfectly. And then over here is our desk, so my roommate just has those up there for storage, and then this is my roommate's side, and then this is my side. So here is our desk. So this side is my roommate's, and this is kind of like our center area where it's kind of like sharing for us. So we absolutely love this diffuser, especially because when you live in, you aren't allowed to have candles, but we love scents. Like we love like having our room smell great, and especially for like the season. So we love switching it up for like summer, fall, winter, and spring. So we always have our oil diffuser going. So yeah, I always have that on. And then I have this letterboard that I got from Amazon. So I always need letterboard quotes to come up with. So I just put happy fall y'all because I was stuck. So if you guys have any other suggestions for the future, leave them down below. And then of course for this year we definitely need hand sanitizer especially. So I have hand sanitizer there. I mean, this one's from Target, but I'm not gonna lie, it's absolutely awful and it smells disgusting. So it looks cute, but it's not the best. Over here there's actually a light. I've kind of showed it in other vlogs, but there's a light over here which is nice. But at night I need my own lamp for light, so I love this one because it's a tapping one, so with 3 levels of brightness. So I absolutely love it. And this is from Amazon. You can't really see because of the sun, but that is what that looks like. And then this is my side of the desk. So here I just have my makeup brushes in these containers. These are actually like from my quinceañera actually, and it was for candles, but took out the candle and now always keep my brushes in here. And then this little tray thing I actually got from FabFitFun box a few years ago. So right now I just have like this port for editing videos so I can put my SD card into my computer, and then this is just for my camera. And I just have a sample perfume here. And then these I absolutely love. I think they look so cute on my desk here. You guys know I love pink. So I have this tape dispenser and this stapler, both from the Container Store. And then this pencil cup, so cute. I absolutely love it. It's also from the Container Store. And then scissors are from Target. And then these pens as well, the Container Store. And then I have my tumbler here that I got for Christmas last year for my aunt. It says my name and then the U of A logo on there. So I love that for getting iced coffees in the morning. And then here I have my mirror. So I absolutely love this. This actually is super, super bright, and it has also different levels of brightness, so it's super nice. And this is from Reiki and Reiki, and I'm obsessed with it. It's so great. Here I just have my hydro flask that I drink every single day, a few of these, so I absolutely need my hydro flask. And here are all the stickers if you guys wanted to see them. But yeah, I have that. And then here I just have my phone charger, so I just put it on there and it charges, so it's really nice to have that. And then below here, which is super, super nice, last year we actually only had 2 desk drawers because I said this so many times, but our last room was originally made for 1 person, so we had to like split a lot of things. Like for example, this room has 4 closets, last year only had 2, so we had to have 1 of each and all that. So this time we have 2 desk drawers, so we have a lot more space than we did last year, which is super nice. So in this first drawer I just have a lot of my beauty products and stuff. So all makeup here, some skincare products, some feminine products, eyeshadow palettes, my brush, deodorant, and all that. So I keep that in this drawer so I can do my makeup here, and I also do my schoolwork on this desk too. So in this bottom drawer I have all my miscellaneous things. So I have like a book for school, those are letters for the letter board, and then notebooks, and then I have all other school stuff in here. And then I have some supplements and my like Alani New Balance and all that, and batteries and all of that miscellaneous stuff in that drawer. And then these chair covers are actually just like a rug that we made into little chair covers just so it looked cute on our chair. So we each have one of those, and also from Amazon. So, and then I just keep my bag here when I'm not using it. And then these seat cushions, these yellow ones, are both from Amazon as well. So match perfectly with our theme, so I got that. And then underneath our desk we have trash cans, and then my backpack. So also have pink trash bags, so nice. Absolutely love it. Love these trash cans because they're huge, so it's so great. So that's underneath my desk. Okay, so moving on to this area, here is my hamper. We have matching hampers. Hers is over here, the yellow one, and then mine's the pink one over there, which I really like how it covers those wires, so it's perfect. So yeah, it's great. This LED light is from Amazon as well, and I love it because it's yellow, so again fits perfectly with our theme. And then this letterboard sign, which you cannot see, there you go. So this is from the Social Life, so just says my chapter's name on it. We obviously wanted it because we live in our sorority house and stuff, so we thought it'd be cute. And then I have this power strip. It's cute, it's pink, it's from the Container Store. So I have all my wires and stuff behind there. And then I love this side pocket because I keep my blue light glasses in here because I need them at night when I'm watching videos or shows or whatever, or even on my phone. I like having my blue light glasses right next to me, so I keep that there. And yeah, here are our beds. So I'm bottom bunk for this semester again, and we normally switch each semester top and bottom bunk. Assuming we're gonna do the same thing again this semester, so yeah, I'm on the bottom bunk this semester. Absolutely love being bottom bunk. But yeah, all these pillows are from Dormify, so the pink ones, and then those other white ones and this comforter are both from Bed Bath & Beyond, I believe. This throw blanket's also from Dormify. Then I just have my laptop there. And we actually have the same comforter. We wanted to match. And I'm not sure where she got her pillows, but yeah, I just turned it on. And then I have these string lights with photos here as well. I haven't updated my photos since sophomore year, so those are all really old pictures. I should have updated them and gotten some from like junior year and some that I've taken this year. But those are all old photos, but they're great. I love them. So I like having those by my bed just to make it a lot more personalized and getting to see all those memories there. So I love it. And now let's move on to the closets, which is really nice because like I said, we have a lot of space. Actually, before we do that, let me actually go above the desk. Okay, so like I said, this is my roommate's side. So she has her records and then her tumbler and then pictures and then perfume and flower basing, which that is like absolutely perfect for our room theme. But here's my side. I really like this area here. I'm obsessed because it was actually a struggle figuring out like how to decorate, but it worked out great, I think. So here is actually a jewelry stand that I used for my mask because I do use masks every single day and wanted it to be cute and easily accessible. And plus I only have like a couple pieces of jewelry and necklaces, so I'm wearing the other one right now, so it ended up being perfect, and the other masks are dirty and in the dirty laundry. Here I just keep some glasses that I wear normally on a daily basis, so I have that. And by the way, this is from the Container Store as well. And then in the back I just hid, like put behind here, all of my hair products. So these clips for if I want to do my makeup, and then those claw clips, scrunchies, headbands, all that is in a little tub behind there, all hidden. And then in this area I have all of my perfumes, which is so nice. I have so many options here. So all these are from Dossier, which I absolutely love. And then we have some Chanel perfumes in Juicy Couture. And then this plant we had in our bathroom last year, but decided to keep it and put it up here, and I think that's from Home Goods. So yeah, that is first area. And then above here I just have some storage bins, so I didn't know where to put this, so I think it ended up working perfectly here. Then I just stacked another extra one of these that I had onto here, so that way I can store products. So that just has hair products and then skincare and other miscellaneous beauty products up in there. So yeah, that's what that area looks like. So now let's move on to the closet. These two closets are my roommates, and then mine are the two on the right. So yeah, by the way, we actually have a ladder in our room this year, which is so nice because last year we didn't, so it was a struggle getting off and on the bunk bed. So really happy about that. And this is from Amazon and this is from Home Goods, this pink rug. So yeah, anyway, here is my first drawer, closet. So I have all of my tops and dresses in this drawer and shoes. So I have all my shoes here, which are getting a little messy here. I need to make sure to keep that organized. But yeah, and then I have my purses and my belts all in this area. So I keep all that here, and then I just have like my blanket that I use every night to go watch shows in the rec. I just have that there, and then some extra hangers, which is great. I love having extra space in here. It's so nice. And then in this drawer here, I just have all of my jeans and bottoms. So I have 2 black jeans, 1 pair of black shorts, 1 pair of blue shorts, and then the rest blue jeans. And then I have this divider, an organizer, also from Container Store. And then in this drawer, all these are like denim skirts. I have a ton, as you can see. Then these are all non-denim skirts, and I have all those here, and I love using this to keep it organized and separated. I just love keeping all my things put together. And then in this last drawer, I have all of my like workout stuff. So yeah, this is kind of getting a little messy too. But I have all my Lululemon leggings in here, and then here I just have my Lulu shorts and then some sports bras and things. So that's what that drawer is for. And then moving on to the right, in this closet we have all of my sweaters and jackets and all of those fun winter things. So a lot of denim jackets, sweaters, tons of crew necks and hoodies in here. So I'm glad I still even have more space, which is also nice. And then in the bottom here is all, again, miscellaneous products. So I have some packages I need to get through. I have my Tide Pods, a hammer for when I needed to hang stuff in my room, lotion, medicine, this is my medicine kit, and then other random things in the back, extra products. So I just stuffed that all back there. And then in this drawer, I have all of my undergarments and things. Again, organized, all from the Container Store. And then in this drawer is my pajamas, which I actually want to get more like loungewear and pieces and stuff, because look, I have tons of space. So I have all my pajamas in here. And then in this bottom drawer, it's all of my t-shirts. Starting to get a little messy, so I need to go and organize that. But those are all of my t-shirts, tank tops, Alpha Phi stuff, and all that. And then up there is just another storage area. So I have like stuff I want to eventually get rid of, and then also like a suitcase in there. So that's up there. And then here is the room from another angle. So yeah, this is my room here at the University of Arizona, my dorm, I guess, or sorority room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you haven't already, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys!